Hello, my name is Andrew Rouvi. I'm from New Zealand. I'm 49 years old and I've been living in Elaine for the last 9 years. Rugby's always been a big part of my life, and through rugby here at the local rugby club is where my story starts. Probably a day after rugby, I had got up in the morning and I'd collapsed, and all of a sudden I started feeling a bit of pain in my hip area. So after numerous times I just thought, well, I need to go and see the hospital. I went to see Dr. Nina. That was my first visit, and then from there I started the pathway of looking at getting an operation done. After the initial surgery, I found that post-surgery that the pain was coming back just through my everyday movements. So it became very obvious that I needed to go and see Dr. Nina again to see if I was able to get a full replacement, a hip replacement. So that's what I did. So after talking to Dr. Nina, whilst I was a little anxious because it was a full replacement surgery, she made me feel very comfortable, and I could understand the process and what was going to happen. And again, that was very comforting. The staff and the support that we had at Mediclinic Al Jowhara was absolutely fantastic, and I was comfortable with that, and I was looking forward to the operation. So the morning of the surgery, I was very nervous, but I could also see when I arrived at Mediclinic Al Jowhara Hospital, there was a team of professionals that were there to look after me, and I felt really, really comfortable. The operation itself went for a few hours, and then I remember waking up. And the rest of that day, I remember vividly, but I noticed one thing, and that was that I didn't quite have the pain that I had prior to that. So I was very happy with the way the operation went. But it was also clear that I needed to get some rehabilitation, and so the team at Mediclinic really stepped up and gave me a lot of support, advice, and I guess put me through my paces. They were very hands-on. The experience was second to none, and I believe it has helped me to where I am today. So I'd like to say a big thank you to all the team at the Mediclinic Al Jowhara Hospital for their expertise and for the experience, and I'm a new and better person for it. Thank you very much.